Hello, my name is Troy Epperson, and this is my website, oneononetrading.com. I've been doing trading and educating for many, many years, and if you're that guy that are almost break even, you're break even, you can't quite get over the line into profitability, maybe you could use a couple of hours of coaching that will really help maybe focus you and get you on your path to success. If so, please check out my website, oneononetrading.com, and I hope you enjoy the morning brief. Hello, welcome to the morning brief. Today is Friday, January 27th. All trading involves risk. Please be careful. Don't trade beyond your means. Today, Friday, yay, thank goodness it's Friday. What a rough week. We had 830 numbers, core PCE price index month over month, which was as expected, 0.3% versus 0.3%. Personal income also came in at 0.2% as expected, 0.2%, and personal spending was slightly less, but not by much, minus 0.1% expected, and actual was minus 0.2. Later on today, we have pending home sales month over month and revised University of Michigan consumer sentiment and inflation expectations. Those are not major releases, but we do have those coming at 10 o'clock. So what does all this mean? Well, it means that everything was as expected, and at least for the moment, inflation is not going up. It's not really going down, but it's not really going up. So that's the big takeaway from this morning's numbers. Let's take a look at the daily chart. Daily chart, you can see, is almost a doji. So, I mean, very tight range overnight. A lot of nothing. A whole lot of nothing. Where could we go? Let's see. I think we can come up to these low volume nodes in here at 40.95 is certainly plausible. And there's going to be some major support at 40.53, but probably looking at that low volume node right there at 40.25 as a potential downside. Let's take a look at inventory. So inventory yesterday was price was up. Inventory was up as well. But again, we have this situation where the price is going up and we have divergence. And again, this makes me a little nervous. So we can make that, there we go. A little bit nervous. You see that divergence? Not very good. Let's make that bigger. See that movement there, and it correlates to the movement here. Even though that is positive, both of these are both positive, it's negative divergence. So that's the second day in the row. Again, we had big price movement here and negative divergence. It's still positive. So positive inventory, so they are technically correlated, but wow, not this looks like there is a lot of people getting out. So the smart money, I think, is getting out. That's what that's telling me. Let's put that one more time here to here. Yeah, it's pretty. It's blaring actually when you look at it and you say, "What is going on?" And you know, it's weird because you have this big old spike. Inventory is up, so technically they are correlated, but you can see that as this moved up, the net inventory went down. Same with this move up here, net inventory went down. Overall on the day was positive on both days, so they are technically correlated, but not. But you know, when you really dive in here, it looks like both these days are people taking profits, getting out of the market, going into the weekend. That's the way I would read that. Looking at the intraday numbers. So intraday numbers, let's see what we got. First of all, super small range. The overnight range is 40.70 was the high. The low was 40.57. I mean, that's like 13 points. That's unbelievably narrow. I don't know. We've had a narrow day like that in a very long time. Scratching this up, we have some support down around 40.46, and we have some resistance around 40.78. And that's all I've got for you guys this morning. Oh, well, let me see. The Stock Traders Almanac is 42.9, so a slight negative bias historically for today. Hope you guys have a great weekend and happy trading.